Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Harman Kardon Fly ANC headphones with your iPhone or iPad. First of all, you have to find the right headphone, and you have to use this button and move it like that, and this indicator will turn on. In the next step, you have to rotate your headphones and find the Bluetooth button. It's located right here. Next, click on it once. Right now, take a look for this indicator. It starts blinking quickly, so it means that we are in the pairing mode, and on our iOS device, we have to move to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, and wait for our headphones. Select them from the list. And right now, you can go to the App Store and download this Harman Kardon application. So we have to get this one, so let's download, click install, and there's the verification, so I'm gonna input my password. Now you have to wait until the download will be finished. Let's open this application. Accept all the permissions that pops on the screen. We can set up Amazon Alexa, but we can also do this later. There's some kind of the basic information about our headphones. So that's, as you can see, that's a quick guide. But very annoying actually. Looks like we cannot turn it off. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Okay, and there we go. There we are in the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.